Motorcycle washing is the trend. Helmet washing is the strongest customer retention weapon in 2025. Let me ask you this. What is the first thing a motorbike rider thinks of when they hear bike wash? Of course, they picture the motorbike sparkling clean after wash. But here is the twist. In 2025, it's not just about washing the motorbike anymore. The real secret weapon for keeping customers coming back again and again is washing their helmets. Yes, you heard that right. Helmet washing is becoming the strongest customer retention tool in the bike wash industry. And today, I am going to show you exactly why. Think about this. Millions of people ride motorbike every single day, and yes, they get their bike washed regularly. But there's something even dirtier, even more unhygienic than the bike itself: the helmet. Helmets trap sweat, dust, bacteria, even bad odor. Riders wear them for hours, day after day, and yet, how often do they clean them? Almost never. And when they do, it's messy, inconvenient, and infective. So here is the pain point. Why bike wash attract customers? Riders have an easy solution for their helmets. They accept the discomfort, the smell, the itchiness, because they simply don't know how there's the better way. That is the gap. That is the frustration, and that is the opportunity waiting to be tapped. Now, let's connect the dots. In 2025, motorbike washing is booming. It is a trend driven by convenience, speed, and hygiene. But if you stop there, you are leaving money on the table. Enter the Go&Go automatic helmet washing machine. This is not just an add-on, it's a game changer. Why? Because when customers come to wash their bike, they are already thinking about cleanliness. Offer their helmets washing at the same time, and you have just double the value you provide. Here's how it works. In just 10 to 15 minutes, the machine washes, sanitizes, and dries the helmet, leaving it fresh, safe, and ready to wear. And the cost per wash is tiny, just a couple of cents for electricity, water, and chemical. But customers are happy to pay 15 to 20 times that amount for the convenience. And best of all, helmet washing solves a problem that customers feel every day but rarely talk about. That's why it makes such a strong retention tool. Let's imagine two bike wash stalls side by side. Both offer fast, automatic motorbike washing. Both attract customers, but one of them also offers helmet washing. Which one do you think customers will choose? Exactly, the one that does not just clean their bike, but also take care of their helmets, something no competitor is offering. This is the strongest customer retention weapon in 2025 because it's the three powerful things for your business. First, it increases customer loyalty. Riders don't just see you as another bike wash stop, they see you as the one place that keeps both their bike and helmets fresh. That is a deeper level of trust. Second, it creates repeat visits. A helmet needs regular cleaning. Once a rider experiences how fresh and comfortable the helmets feel, they will come back again and again, and every time they will wash their bike too. Third, it boosts your revenue per customer. Instead of just charging for a bike wash, you are adding an extra service. That means more income from the same customer base without needing more space or more staff. In the Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, everywhere motorbike dominates. This combination is providing unstoppable. Customer love it. Business thrives on it, and in 2025, it's not just an option, it's its competitive edge. So here is the question. Are you going to stop at just washing bike, or are you ready to lead the market by offering a complete hygiene solution? Bike plus helmets. At Go&Go, we make it simple. Our helmet washing machine is designed to pair perfectly with our automatic bike wash system. It's compact, easy to operate, and requires minimal training. The ROI is super fast because the customers are willing to pay for freshness, safety, and comfort. Motorcycle washing might be the trend, but in 2025, helmet washing is the secret weapon that keeps customers coming back. If you want to stand out, if you want to dominate your market, you cannot ignore this. Click the link in the description. Follow Go&Go and see how smart investors are already using helmet washing as their strongest customer retention weapon. Don't just follow trends, be the leader who said it.